So back when the Traxxas Drag Slash was originally released, it only came with a Chevy C10 body. And for Chevy fans like myself, that was great, but that left out the blue oval crowd. And Traxxas did answer by offering a Mustang 5.0 body set that you could drop on this kit. However, you still had to buy a Chevy truck to do it. Well, apparently there was enough people that wanted a Mustang equipped Drag Slash right out of the box, and that's what we're gonna check out today. The Ready to Ride Mustang is available in two different colors, this bright red and a black. I'll have a link for them in the video description below, or you can find them at your local hobby shop. It comes out of the box just like this, with the exception of the wheelie bar. You do have to install that. It's just 4 screws, really simple, but the body's already decaled, the mirrors are already on it, the windows are blacked out, and it does have a spoiler. It's a great looking Mustang body. It has ET front tires on there, MT drag slicks out back, like the black chrome wheels. Now, what's different from a C10 setup is the front bumper here is for the Mustang body. Same with the front and rear body mount setup, but everything else is the same. It's based off of the Traxxas Slash short course truck. They've narrowed it up for drag racing use. It's got narrower banded arms up front, narrower H arms in the rear, shorter slider universals, and it also has shorter shocks in the rear. The front shocks do have bump stops. It's just set up for some fun drag racing. The chassis is a composite. The battery drops down in the center here. It's got steering cranks with the servo saver set up in it, adjustable tire rods, all proven stuff that people have been enjoying on the Traxxas Slash kits for many years. Now, one of the big changes actually to this is the transmission. This has been developed initially for drag racing use, but a lot of people are now using this Magnum 272R transmission on other Traxxas models. This one is specifically set up for drag racing use, the diff fluid that they use inside of it. This is a heavy duty transmission setup to take the abuse of drag racing, launching out of the hole constantly. I like that it has an aluminum motor plate, it has a slipper clutch, and you can go ahead and swap out the diff fluids if you want to do some differential tuning. There's the Valenium brushless motor, here's the Valenium VXL3 S speed controller, and it has a TQI radio system with Traxxas Trans Brake launch control, where you hold a button on the transmitter, pull full throttle, and when that light turns green, you let that button go and this thing takes off. It also has Traxxas stability management in it, which will help keep this car going straight when you're racing friends in the local parking lot. And the only thing you need to provide for this kit is the battery, charger, and 4 AA's for the radio system. I'm gonna charge up some batteries now, give my friend Al a call, and we'll go do some drag racing. All right, guys, of course, Al was up for a drag race. He just finished setting up the track. It's 132 feet. Got the cars ready to go. Batteries are charged up. Got a burnout mat, and we got our Traxxas start light. I've got it hooked up to the remote, so I can just hit the button. We'll have a random start. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Ford versus Chevy. Warm up one more time. All right, you ready for this, man? Gotta watch the light. Amber's on. There. Oh, wrong light. Gotta wait for the big light. Oh. You good?
I'm good. I'm going no prep.
No prep, no extra heat. You just got me. Get a little heat in there again. Oh, yeah.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
no
did.
way.
I got you.
I got you at the end.
No, you didn't.
You're lying.
I don't know. Where are you looking? Where the camera is. It's in the other end. Thank God.
We're gonna have to do some serious replay viewing here. All right, you're going cold tire?
Going cold again.
I'm not going cold. Thought I was gonna get a little advantage there. All right, line it right back up. Where you going? You jumping the line already.
Oh, like
All right, this one's for an adult beverage.
Ooh.
Coffee. On the light. Another.
I caught you on the back.
No, no way.
Oh, you got the camera down there? Where are you?
You need glasses. Let's do the launch on this one.
Oh, you're in front of the cone this time. Gotta get every
Yeah.
little advantage.
All right, so we're gonna do the drag launch. You gotta push down on the red button, pull full throttle.
Yeah.
When you see the light go off, you let off on the button. And it's just full throttle out.
While you hold the full throttle?
Yeah, while holding full throttle.
Okay.
I'm ready. Waiting to release that button on the light. Yeah, I got you on that one. One more, just one more. I got you.
Dusted, you're dusted.
No way. I don't know, where are you looking? We're gonna have to do some serious replay viewing here. Well, after checking the replay, Al was right. Al got me at the line pretty much every time. I don't know, I still have a couple more clips to check out, but the new Mustang, I think the body might be a little bit more aerodynamic, don't you think?
Oh, yeah,
Just a little bit. That's his advantage. He said my wheelie bar, my aftermarket wheelie bar weighed me down. That was my problem too, but it was a lot of fun. Just hanging out, having fun, drag racing, just simple stuff. Throw it down on the track, you know, make a little wager on the side.
Staging.
I gotta work on my staging, but this is just too cool. Traxxas Drag Slashes, they've got a deal on these things. That's just the way to get them. Grab a buddy, go in on it together, and have some drag racing fun, just in a random parking lot like this. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll have links to the video in the description below. We'll see you back soon.